In the last session, we learned about mammals and birds. A mammal is an animal that has fur, teeth, and most mammals have four legs. Birds have two legs, two wings, and feathers. In this session, let's read a story following the team rules. Open your textbook, page number 14. Listen to the story and point your finger. Whose team are you on? Narrator. The animals are getting ready for a football match. Fox, kangaroo, and bear are on the mammal team. Goose, owl, and parrot are on the bird team. Bat wants to play too. Bat eagerly. Can I play? Parrot. Which team are you on? Bat. Thinking. I want to be on the winning team. The birds are small. The mammals are big. I think the mammals will win. Bat. To everybody. I want to be on the mammal team. Bear. To fox and kangaroo. Are bats mammals? Fox. I don't think so. Bats have wings. Mammals don't have wings. I think bat is a bird. Bat. No, I'm not. I'm a mammal. Look at my fur. Look at my teeth. Birds don't have fur or teeth. Kangaroo. To fox and bear. That's true. I think bat can play on our team. Fox and bear. Okay, let's play. Narrator. The animals begin to play. Bear passes the ball to kangaroo. Kangaroo kicks the ball into the goal. The score is mammals 1, birds 0. Bat. Happy and excited. Hooray for our team! Narrator. Next, owl gets the ball. Owl passes the ball to parrot. Parrot scores a goal. Mammals 1, birds 1. It's a draw. Page number 15. Narrator. Bear has the ball next, but parrot takes it. The birds score another goal. Birds 2, mammals 1. The birds score the next goal too. Now it's birds 3, mammals 1. Bear. Let's stop. We need a rest. Bat. Feeling grumpy, thinking to himself, the mammal team is losing. I don't want to be on the losing team. I think I'll join the bird team. Bat. Walking over to talk to parrot. I'm joining the bird team. Parrot. You can't do that, Bat. You are part of the mammal team. Bat. Not anymore. I want to be on the bird team. Look, I have 2 wings and 2 legs, just like you and owl and goose. Goose. Play on. Narrator. The game begins again. Kangaroo has the ball. She passes the ball to bear, but bat takes the ball and passes it to parrot. Parrot scores a goal. It's birds 4, mammals 1. Bat. Happy and excited. Hooray for our team! The birds are winning the game. Fox, confused. Stop the game. Whose team are you on, Bat? Bat. I'm on the bird team now, and we are winning. Owl sternly. You can't switch teams in the middle of a match, Bat. Goose. It's not fair. Page number 16. Bear angrily. You're not a good team player, Bat. You can't be part of this game. Fox sternly. I agree. If you want to play with us, you need to follow the rules. All the animals speaking together. Go away, Bat. We don't want to play with you. Bat upset. I'm sorry. Kangaroo. Go away and think about it. When you are ready to follow the rules, you can come back. Bat sadly. Okay, goodbye. Narrator. And the mammals and the birds begin playing again without Bat. Owl. Play on. The rules. Practice every day. Do your best. Help your team. Be a good loser. Say well done to the other team. Be a good winner. Say thank you to the other team.